Video still playing? Or just a new one?
It's still on there.
And we'll put both the videos up.
Okay. We're ready for you, Larry Lee. Seth, get over here. Don't let that bull see you.
I'm scratching my balls. Sexy, isn't it?
This is 17-year-old porno slag.
Ah.
Itchy balls.
Itchy balls. That's what you get for not shaving.
And here goes the puppy eating every garden variety of poop there is. Going in there, what,
y'all know what this is?
You saw it. You was holding cat horse shit. We knew he'd do it. We knew he'd do it before the weekend was over. Give me my phone. You're no good with it. He's going in. He's going in for the kill. Don't forget the battle axe, baby. Don't forget the battle axe. We want hamburgers.
I go in there, fancy.
What?
Fancy only. Down to the gate.
Want me to do what?
You only. I don't want you from over here. I want you over here. If I say open the gate for me to get out.
Okay.
Once I get in there.
Okay.
Can I go in?
No, you have to stay away from the pen. The bull's afraid of you. Or the bull wants up with you. So what's the purpose of you going in there? You going in there to show him who's boss or what? Hard to believe this bull's almost 1.5 years old. Whew. That's a whole lot of T-bones and hamburgers and nice brisket. Nice barbecued brisket. Sure you're not going to slip in his moo pies? You sure you want to do this? And he's in the pen with the bull. And the game is on. Huh?
Get ready to open it.
Okay.
You're not gonna win.
Dang. What'd you do? You had to go in there just to do that to him? See? Bull's hurt. Informational, children. Bull's hurt.
Send me in there.
Bull's hurt. Say it.
Huh?
Bull's hurt.
Bullshit.
Yeah, there's a lot of that in there. See all that bullshit? Even the cow's knees are dirty from bullshit. Huh? No, he's too big. That's one big bull. He ain't no baby no more. Run over there. Run over there. Let's see him babe. He still bounces like a baby. He's a bucking bronco. Woo. He don't come out. You broke your finger? That's a good way to get out of burning leaves today. Go up the other side. Yusuf is antagonizing him. And does pull. No, I wanted him to.
No.
Joey, you hurt my man.
Yeah, Joey, he uses that hand to jack off.
And now, Joey, that you've shown that you can't be handled, you're going to the butcher's. What do you think of that? What do you think of that, pretty boy?
Lock.
Oh, need the lock.
Oh, I sold it on eBay.
We loved you. Still do.
I hated him.
But you know, you always knew you were a hamburger from the beginning, right? Oh.
He just wants to play.
Oh, he wants to kiss you now, Daddy.
Give me a kiss.
Well, guys, y'all got to meet Joey the
No,
Bull.
we're not done yet. Here. I'm taking over now. My mom sucks
No,
at the
wait a
camera.
minute. You suck. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. You suck at videography. By the way, I'm going to show you the things he didn't show you.
I did show.
Hold on. These are the cutest little friZle chicks here that he didn't show you. Aren't they cute?
I
Look
showed
at
them.
They get these cute little frizzly feathers.
Ugly birds.
He didn't show you these guys.
Ugly birds.
He didn't take the time to stop and show you how pretty they are.
Fruity, yeah, fruity.
He goes, I can't remember their name. He didn't stop to show you, but they're called friZles. They're like those frizzly pencils that you shake and their feathers go poing. Yeah, that's what they're like. And then we got like these Polish ones here. See?
What happened?
They got those funny little tufts on their heads.
Where?
Look at pretty eyes.
There's scorpion in there?
Look like little Egyptians. Walk like an Egyptian. How you doing, Larry? Did you get hurt pretty bad? No? Okay. Now, I'm going to show you the other birds. He didn't show you either because he showed you the peacocks. He showed you the funny looking quail. But what he didn't show you is our baby peacock.
Mama loves talking to herself. Come on, let me see.
But you didn't show them, Yusuf. If you didn't show them our baby peacocks.
Oh, they can like.
Why didn't you show them the baby peacocks?
Babies are so unentertaining.
But they're so cute.
They're so ugly.
Babies are always cute.
Ugly.
There's sweet Gypsy right there.
Come on, baby.
Hi, Gypsy. Oh,
You
man.
and me.
She just dissed
Attitude
you.
problem.
Hi,
Well, I got a new baby.
Felicity. There, horse's ass. Always cool when a horse shows you its ass. Here is the Bob White pan. And there's our baby peacocks over there. And these are Bob White quail. Hear that noise? They go, Bob, Bob White! Bob, Bob White! See, the difference is the girls have a peach face and the boys have a white face.
Did you hear him, Mama? He said he's gonna make some of them like chicken.
Females have a peach face and the boys have a white face. That's how you can tell male from female. These are called your northern Bob Whites, kids. Gonna lose what? Yowzers.
Ugly birds.
Close that door, please. Now I'm gonna show you a really crazy chicken. We named him Rasta. All he needs is a
Rasta-roo.
fatty.
So is Rasta. Oh, that guy?
This is Rasta. Check out his hairdo. Rasta, what's up, man? What's up, Rasta? These chickens are the coolest chickens. These are show chickens. You ever see fluffy chickens before? Oh my God, fuzzy chickens! Check out Rasta-Roo's hairdo over there. And we got fuzzy chickens. There's Cruella de Vil.